form so that they can not harm blood cells and they cannot digest the blood cells. So they are present in inactive form.
In inactive form, something special is there in our blood, like which makes it or which enforces it to stay in inactive form?
Blood cell membranes are we have lipid membranes, so those can be digested with those proteases, protein. We have proteins in our cell membranes, blood cell RBC membrane, so that can be ruptured.
Absolutely right, because these proteases, nucleases, inhibitors are present in the cells, so which will not let them to work as in the active form. अगर ये active form में अगर present होते तो ये digest करना शुरू कर देते उन्हीं चीजों को, and which can be dangerous for us. So last question दिया था active pharmaceutics. तो how can we make these proteins active? पहले तो आप ये बताओ कि क्वेश्चन आपको समझ आया? एनसीईआरटी निकालो जरा आपने, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एनसीईआरटी चैप्टर नंबर 12, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. Consult internet and find out how to make orally active protein pharmaceutically. What is the major problem to be encountered? पायल, आप बेटे करो जरा अपने आप को अनम्यूट.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, what do you understand from this question?
Ma'am, digestive enzymes are taken.
Digestive enzymes, okay.
Or
Anybody would like to answer? Simran, would you like to answer? Simran, unmute yourself, bete. Would you like to answer? नहीं, लगता है उसके कनेक्शन की प्रॉब्लम है, स्टिल हो रही है वो. इससे पूछे मनिंदर, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. यस बच्चे. No problem. If you are not able to answer in a 100% with corrected manner, there is no issue. But I want you to answer something. मनिंदर पढ़ना शुरू किया है वैसे? मेरे को एक चीज बता दो कि अभी भी वो ग्रेड मोड इज गोइंग ऑन. कितना? ओके. Yes or no? पता नहीं. तो नो बोल दो ना बेटे, दूसरे को चांस देते. गौरी, गौरी अनम्यूट बेटे.
Yes, ma'am.
जी बेटे. What do you know about this question? So, raise your hand who would like to answer.
Ma'am, this is the fact that peptides are metabolically unstable and under physiological conditions that are not observed orally and do not make good drug addictions candidates.
Little bit, 10% you are right. You're moving on a right track. 10% आपका right है, but some more correction. हाँ जी अंशुल, you raise your hand.
Ma'am, on a pharmaceutical basis, if we talk, we can administer various antibodies or various biologically helpful proteins through these orally active protein into our body. And the major problem which we will suffer is the presence of various digestive enzymes in our gastric lining, which can dissolve these proteins in the stomach.
It will make it inactive, right? So how can we? What is the remedial feature for it? एक तो देखो, एक रेमेडियल फीचर है कि इफ वी आर नॉट टेकिंग ऑरली, डायरेक्टली टारगेट साइट पे इंजेक्शन लग जाए, ठीक है, वो होता है कि वो टारगेट साइट पे इंजेक्शन लग रहा है, तो ये इसमें कोई भी डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम इसको इनएक्टिव नहीं करेंगे, सीधा ये ब्लड में चले जाएंगे। जैसे इंसुलिन पेशेंट वगैरह जो होते हैं, उनको आपने देखा कि इंजेक्शंस लगते हैं तो उनके मोस्टली जैसे स्टमक की अपर लाइनिंग होती है, एपिथेलियल लेयर होती है, उसके ऊपर स्टमक पे सीधे वो लगा देते हैं। बहुत कम है कि उनकी बैक पे या यहाँ पे बाजू वगैरह पे इंजेक्शन लगेंगे। लेकिन जिनको हैवी डोज इंसुलिन वगैरह नहीं चाहिए, सो दे हैव टू टेक ऑरली, वो मेडिसिन ही लेते हैं। लेकिन उनके केस में क्या है कि ये जो मेडिसिन है, दे आर कोटेड विद सम स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ द मटेरियल, सो दैट व्हेन इट इज गोइंग इनटू द स्टमक, द एसिडिक मीडियम फेल्स टू डिसॉल्व इट। ठीक है, और ये जब डाइजेशन फिर इनकी कहाँ पे होती है, जाके स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, वेयर इट डायरेक्टली एब्सॉर्ब्ड इन द ब्लड। क्लियर हो गई बात? ठीक है, सो वन वे, इनको या तो हम इंजेक्शन फॉर्म में ले लें। द सेकेंड वे, अगर ऑरली ही पूछा गया है तो दे आर ऑलवेज कोटेड विद सम काइंड ऑफ द मटेरियल विच इज नॉट डिसॉल्व्ड और डाइजेस्टेड इन द स्टमक। इनकी डाइजेशन ही स्टार्ट तब होगी जब ये स्टमक से पास होके दे आर मूविंग टू इंटेस्टाइन एरिया। बेटे वन आईडी पर्सन इज हियर, गिल साहब। सो गिल साहब प्लीज जरा हमें शक्ल देख सकते हैं, कौन है ये? हाँ जी बेटे, प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा because there is no such student by the name Gil Saab in my 12A and 12C. हाँ जी, प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा। अच्छा, अब ये बताओ कि आपका मंडे को एग्जाम है 2 चैप्टर्स का, डू यू हैव एनी क्वेरी फ्रॉम दोज 2 चैप्टर्स? हाँ जी, anyone, any query? If there is no query, then I will start sharing my screen. And before sharing this screen, I actually need to then lock the class so that nobody else can enter. Because while sharing screen, there will not be my proper, I can't proper monitor on all the participants who is entering.
हेलो, एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yes, बेटे?
मैम मैंने पूछना था कि ब्रूअर जीएस और बेकर जीएस में कोई डिफरेंस होता है?
क्या आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है, दोबारा बोलोगे?
कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, I can hear you, but your voice is cracking.
मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि बेकर जीएस और ब्रूअर जीएस में कोई डिफरेंस होता है?
समझ नहीं आई, आप मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हो?
मैं या तो मैसेज ड्रॉप कर देती हूँ।
क्योंकि इसमें मेरे को ये भी नहीं पता लग रहा कि who is asking this question, it's not highlighting, so that's why I'm asking everyone to switch on the camera, क्योंकि उससे ये हो जाता है कि आप when you are speaking, it's a picture is highlighting who is conversating. आप मेरे को ड्रॉप करो उतनी देर। चलोत्रा जी प्लीज, चलो अब रहने दे, तूने ऑन कर ही लिया, पर अपने आप को बेटे लवलीन चलोत्रा रीनेम कर ले बेटे अपनी आईडी के साथ। somebody is with Rahul Manhas and Gil साहब, बेटे प्लीज जरा अपना करेक्ट करो अपनी आईडी एंड स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा। चलिए बेटे, जिसने भी मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछा है आप मेरे को यहाँ पे चैट में प्लीज भेज दो। इन द मीन टाइम आई एम ओपनिंग नाउ माई गूगल ड्राइव फॉर शेयरिंग जुलाई examinations objective questions, so that if there is any issue we can discuss. So I'm going to share screen. This is my last call to Gil Saab ID and Manhas Rahul. Can you please switch on camera? Otherwise, bete, I have to remove you from the class. Giving you 2 minutes, please. चलिए बच्चे, I'm going to share screen. Are you able to see बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So this is set A. So whosoever want to answer it can go ahead. चलिए बच्चे, set A. Which of the following contraceptive methods involve a role of hormone? सबको आंसर विजिबल हो रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which option should be there? So I will let you know. So the exact answer, contraceptive method involve a role of hormone. This is lactational amenorrhea, pills, emergency contraceptives.
Emergency contraceptive.
Coming to the second question, extrusion of second polar body from eggs occurs. हाँ जी, कौन सी ऑप्शन आनी चाहिए?
B option.
After entry of sperm, but before fertilization.
Right answer बच्चे. चलिए, थर्ड पे आ रही हूँ. Purines found in both DNA and RNA. Very easy.
Adenine and guanine.
Adenine and guanine.
Thank you बच्चे. चलिए नेक्स्ट, वेरिएशन कॉज्ड बाय म्यूटेशन. ये वैसे आपका कट गया है ये वाला चैप्टर, पर हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. वेरिएशन कॉज्ड बाय म्यूटेशन बाय ह्यूगो डी वराइज.
Random and directionless.
Correct. Next, in Antedynum, a red flower was crossed with a white flower, and in F1 generation, all pink flowers were obtained. When pink flowers were self, the F2 generation showed white, red, and pink. Choose the incorrect statement from the following.
Law of segregation does not apply in this experiment.
Incorrect statement.
Incorrect.
First answer. ठीक है बच्चे?
First, law
Yes.
of segregation.
Yes, law of segregation does not apply in this experiment. अच्छा, next, ये बड़ा easy था सबके लिए. सबने सही करा था ये. Persistent nucellus in the seed is known as.
Perisperm.
Perisperm.
Good job.
Perisperm.
Which of the following immune response is responsible for rejection of kidney graft?
Cell-mediated immune response.
Cell-mediated immune response.
Right बच्चे, right answer. चलिए अगला देखिए. Select the incorrect statement.
The fourth one.
The
In
first one.
domesticated
D.
fowl.
Okay, let's check.
D.
So your correct option, right बच्चे. In domesticated fowl, sex of progeny depends upon the type of the sperm rather than the egg. चलिए ninth पे हूँ. Select the correct sequence for transport of sperm cell in the male reproductive system. बिल्कुल ये NCERT से उठाया गया था. और ये 2019 का क्वेश्चन है आपका.
Third should be the right answer.
So exact answer, एक मिनट बच्चे. ठीक है जी, राइट आंसर आपने थर्ड बोला था आप लोगों ने.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Colostrum, a yellowish fluid secreted by mother during the initial day of lactation, is very essential to impart immunity to the newborn infants because it contains.
Immunoglobulin A.
Immunoglobulin A.
आंसर ये भी सबका ही सही था ऑलमोस्ट आंसर. In some plants, the female gamete develops into an embryo without fertilization. This phenomena is known as.
Parthenogenesis.
Parthenogenesis.
ओके बच्चे. अंशुल, आपको मेरे ख्याल से मेल नहीं मिली थी बेटे. अगर आपके पास है ये क्वेश्चन कहीं खुले हुए हैं, आप चेक कर लो एक बार अपने. अच्छा, आपने इधर जूम लगाया हुआ है. चलो, पर साथ में एक बार have a look, आपके 4 आंसर्स गलत थे अंशुल मेरे ख्याल से।
एमसीक्यू में मेरे में पता नहीं 33 के पास से ऐसे मार्क्स थे
नहीं,
देखे जब मैंने।
मुझे लग रहा है आपके 30 आउट ऑफ 30 थे सब्जेक्टिव में, और 40 में से मेरे ख्याल से आपके थे बेटे 34 के।
और मैम इतने कौन से गलत हो गए मुझे? अभी तक तो सारे सही गए हैं।
चलो, हो सकता है एक बार मैं दोबारा वो भी चेक कर लूंगी, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम हमारा भी एक्सपीरियंस था इतने सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस को देखने का। So it was a very tedious thing, and जितना आप लोगों के लिए like you were feeling very tedious for uploading, similar it was very difficult for us even to check it. So let's see. So I will check again. Sometimes automatically some technical issue can also be there in calculation. Okay, identify the correct pair representing the causative agent of typhoid fever and confirmation test for typhoid.
First.
Salmonella typhi Vidal test.
Salmonella typhi and Vidal test.
Right, bache, right. So we just did 12th question. Coming on the EST refers to
Genes expressed as RNA.
Gene expressed as RNA.
right, bache. Next, coming to select the hormone releasing IUDs.
Fourth.
Progestate LMG20.
Right. And next is, which of the following STD is not completely curable?
Herbs.
Herpes.
Genital herpes. Okay.
हाँ जी।
Drug called heroin is synthesized by
Third.
Acetylation of morphine.
acetylation of morphine. Okay. Till these questions, did you find any question which is not from your NCERT?
I don't see.
From these, did you find any single question which is not from NCERT? Any example line? थी कोई ऐसी?
No.
No. ये आपका 2019 का NTA का पेपर था। ये पहले 16 क्वेश्चन आपके 4 set A was I have taken directly from 2019, and NTA last year when conducted this NEET first time, they promised that the paper will be directly from NCERT. So that's why I'm after life of everyone, whether you are only board aspirant or you are a NEET aspirant along with board. NCERT should be at your fingertips. NCERT की कोई कैप्शन, कोई डायग्राम, कोई लाइन, कोई एग्जाम्पल, मैं तो कहती हूँ कॉमा फुल स्टॉप ऑल्सो, यू शुड नॉट फॉरगेट, इट शुड बी प्रिंटेड। आपको याद हो जाए कि ये लाइन इस चैप्टर के इस पेज से है। So knowingly I set these initial questions from that chapter to give you exact idea. So this chapter has been deleted, but this is from Hardy's Weinberg equation. So what is the exact answer?
B.
Right, bache. P plus Q whole square is equal to P square plus 2PQ plus Q square. The formula you were supposed to put, and answer was there. Right answer. Okay. So what map unit is adopted in the construction of gene maps?
Representing 1% crossover.
Exactly, good. Right answer. The frequency of recombination between gene present on the same chromosome as a measure of distance between the genes was explained by?
2:1.
Right.
Alpha.
Okay. So while seeing this data, somebody can get confused, but just
Stabilizing.
see the data, you can answer it.
Stabilizing.
Stabilization.
अच्छा, tell me one thing, ये जो कोविड हो रहा है, कोरोना का इतना हो रहा है, ठीक है? So अगर आप लोग गूगल कर रहे हो तो mostly scientists which we are studying, they are deducing it a kind of mutation, and this mutation is changing the nucleotide sequencing. and it is becoming dominant. Means every day when in lakhs, in millions, these numbers are increasing in different countries. And alone in India, if you are seeing every day, like the number is increasing. And when they have investigated one state, Maharashtra, and they have figured out that like 57% population of that state, they have developed antibodies against this pathogen, this virus. So this is also somewhere, if you correlate all these things, so this is also your natural selection. Might be possible ये सब में ही अगर ये infection हो गई, then antibodies will develop, and nature is selecting that nucleotide sequence. So if such, this is the case, what kind of graph will you say? Natural selection में आपने ये 3 ग्राफ करे हुए थे, stabilizing करा था, directional करा था, you studied a disruptive. So where will you categorize it?
Directional.
Directional. Absolutely.
Directional.
Absolutely right. So all these scientists which have given these theories, कितने सालों पहले की ये theories हैं, when we studied 11th 12th medical, हमने भी यही books पढ़ी थी, और इतने साल हो गए पढ़ाते आपको, और वही चीज ही हम पढ़ा रहे हैं. But now whatever the things are going on in surroundings, so we can now correlate, practically हम correlate कर सकते हैं कि how these theories are proved. तो ये next question की तरफ आ रही हूँ मैं. So what is the fate of male gamete discharge in the synergid?
One fused with the egg and
One fuses with egg, other fuse with synergid nucleus.
Okay, जी.
central cell.
Right, बच्चे. Central cell. Easy था ये. What is the genetic disorder in which an individual has an overall masculine development? Gynecomastia is.
Klinefelter syndrome.
Good job.
Klinefelter syndrome.
Good job.
Klinefelter syndrome.
Right, बच्चे. Which one of the following statements regarding post-fertilization development in flowering plants is incorrect?
First.
Always connected to embryo sac.
Right answer, बच्चे. Next, which of the following is not a function of progesterone? Not a function.
Stimulation of maturation.
Which one, बच्चे? हाँ, some,
Stimulation
Right,
of
right.
maturation of ovum.
right. What is common between vegetative reproduction and apomixis?
Both
Produce progeny identical
Both
to parent.
produce progeny identical to parent.
Good job. Next, which part of the plant contains porogenous tissue? Easy था ये.
Young and
young and
Young anther.
Young anther.
Right, बच्चे, right. The common terminal duct of reproductive and urinary system in human male is. This was almost.
urethra.
Yes, बच्चे.
Urethra.
Oral contraceptive pill is composed of. It was also correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Estrogen and progesterone.
Directly NCERT question was there. What about this? Anybody who is working on Mendel project?
7 years.
Good.
7 years.
This again is from evolution. The other chapter is deleted, but we will do here. Which compound were used by Miller?
First year.
Ammonia, methane, hydrogen,
Ammonia,
and vapor.
methane, hydrogen and water vapor.
Absolutely right. Which of the following is not a character of cancerous cell in our body?
Contact in
Contact in
Contact inhibition.
Right answer. Mast cell secrete.
histamine.
Histamine.
Good.
histamine.
अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन मेरा यहाँ से ना अभी डिलीट हुआ है. So this question was development in the embryo sac other than that egg.
Adventive embryony.
Adventive embryony. Right answer. Next, filiform apparatus is a characteristic of.
Synergids.
Synergy.
Synergy.
Right answer. Acha, this is still, there is a dilemma. Let's see what you people say. Estrogen is secreted by.
German epithelium.
Corpus luteum.
Pardon? So here is the 50-50. Corpus luteum is not here, pituitary is not here, Graafian follicle and germinal epithelium of ovary.
Graphian follicle.
Anybody else? Because there is a controversy. I have discussion with Neha also. Neha personally, she discussed this thing. दो तो उड़ा ही दिए मैंने. Corpus luteum and pituitary, Graphian follicle and germinal epithelium of ovary. Neha, I had this. Neha है यहाँ पे?
Ma'am.
Neha, I had discussion with you. After that, I researched some more, you can say, websites for this. So let's see what majority answers go.
Ma'am, both are correct.
Both are correct, but when Graphian follicle portion is also then there should be these follicular cells should be the right answer here. Right. So next is genetic drift operates only in
smaller population.
okay.
Smaller population.
ठीक है जी. Next बच्चे, human evolution occurred in, this was
Africa
also
and
from
Asia.
Einstein. Right बच्चे.
Africa and
Yeah.
Asia.
Right. The oral contraceptives are prescribed in females to check
ovulation.
वैसे एनसीईआरटी में तो ओवुलेशन इम्प्लांटेशन दोनों है, लेकिन ओवुलेशन आएगा या मेरे ख्याल से.
ovulation is the right answer. Embryo at 16 cell stage is known as
मोरूला.
Morula.
right answer. And a trihybrid cross, 3 pairs of
8.
characters. Yes, right.
8.
Right. So now I'm opening my another one. चलिए, set B is visible to everyone. Majority students were able to do set A. Out of 40, only 14 students they attempted set B. Some were saying there is a problem in the opening set A, set B, and that's why they attempted set A. चलो, let's see. ये सारे आप लोग solve कर सकते हैं. So law of Mendel, which is universally applicable, very common question of NEET.
Law of segregation.
Law of segregation.
Absolutely right, बच्चे. A functional complex consisting of cluster of genes including structure
Jacob
gene,
and
promoter
Monod.
gene. हाँ जी.
Jacob and Monod.
Right answer.
Jacob and Monod.
ठीक है बच्चे. HIV is comprised of a protein coat and genetic material which is
Single stranded RNA.
absolutely right. Transfer of DNA bands from agarose to nitrocellulose or nylon membrane is
Southern blotting.
right. Banana is vegetatively propagated by
Rhizome.
absolutely
Rhizome.
right answer. Developing pollen is nourished by
Epitom.
Septum.
Epitom.
answer. During menstrual cycle, level of LH and estrogens are highest around
14th day.
14th day.
yes
14th
bache, right
day.
answer. Right. Induced abortion is also called
MTP.
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 right answer. Mendel was successful in discovering the principle of inheritance as
Took pea plants in experiment.
which option did you say bete?
He took pea plants for experiment.
And first.
So Mendel was successful. He took pea plant for experiment, but there was a reason behind it. Because he did not encounter linkage between genes for the characters he considered. And when Drosophila was taken as an experiment material by T.H. Morgan, that's why his 9:3:3:1 ratio deviated. He did not find the result. So sometimes what happens, by seeing just the question, we feel like this is the right option, but sometimes options are hidden, and that could be a like a sort of negative marking and bringing our score down. So who gave the concept that for a double-stranded DNA, the ratio A to T and T triple bond are equal and constant?
Erwin Saga.
Absolutely right answer. चलिए next, the process by which organisms with different evolutionary history evolve similar phenotypic adaptations in response to common environmental challenges called.
Adaptive.
Which option you are saying? B. It's a C. Last option, convergent evolution. Okay. Next, the pathogen Haemophilus influenzae is responsible for disease. Very simple.
Pneumonia.
Okay, wait. Next, if there are 4 pollen mother cells or anthers, what will be the number of pollen grains? Very easy. MMC are 4. Number of pollen grains?
16.
Okay. Right answer. 1 is producing 4, and when there are 4 fours are 16.
16.
Okay, next, the most popularly known blood grouping is ABO blood grouping, is termed ABO, not ABC, because O in it refers to. Yes. It's named as ABO, not ABC.
And C option.
Over dominance.
No antigens.
No antigens.
How many different types of gametes will be produced by a plant having the genotype AA, BB, CC? We did this example also. Remember, Neha? You took a special class
Yes,
course.
ma'am.
That Zoom class was there. 2
Yes, ma'am.
raised to power n. So what should be here? Calculate कर लो फटाफट से. 2 raised to power n आएगा, तो n is the number of these.
हम आंसर 1/8 नहीं आना चाहिए था.
हाँ जी.
आंसर इसका क्या आना चाहिए था?
2.
2.
हाँ, बाकी तो सारे होमो है ना. ये देखो, ये हेट्रो के लिए तो निकालना था हमने सिर्फ.
हाँ जी मैम, ये पहले भी आ चुका है ना एक बार क्वेश्चन,
वो
20 मार्क्स वाले में.
मॉडिफाई करके डाला था ये. उसमें मैंने ज्यादा हेट्रोस कर दिए थे, इफ यू रिमेम्बर.
मैंने उसी अकॉर्डिंग फिर आंसर
हाँ,
सोचा होगा.
मॉडिफाइड है. How many pairs of homologous chromosomes are there in humans? Very simple. जपराज, तेरा आंसर नहीं आ रहा कोई. वट जपराज, मंजोत. इमनंदन, व्हाट शुड बी द आंसर? बेटे, जिन्होंने ये सेट नहीं अटेम्प्ट किया हुआ उनको आंसर जरूर देना चाहिए. ये तो सिंपल है. कितने होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम्स हैं हमारे में?
23.
ओके, थैंक यू. चलिए जी, नेक्स्ट. आंसर पढ़ो. इसको ध्यान से क्वेश्चन को करना, क्योंकि ऐसे जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं ना, वो बच्चे बस देख के ही डर जाते हैं. Some important events of human female reproductive system are given below. Arrange the events in a proper sequence. पहला sequence है secretion of FSH. B is growth of corpus luteum. C is growth of follicles and oogenesis. D is ovulation. E is sudden increase in level of LH. अब सबको देखो, सबसे पहले क्या होता है? Five things are there. इनको sequence में लगा दो. Manisha, will you try bete? Manisha, Kiran, Gauri, who will try?
थर्ड वन.
C option.
C option Gauri ने दिया. और कोई? Neha, what should be the answer bete?
B option.
Since it should be C or D, ma'am. One of these.
आपको exact answer बता देते हैं. The last one. A, C, E, D and B. So सबसे पहले A वाला आ गया कि secretion हो गई. फिर उसके बाद आ गया कि इसकी ग्रोथ हो गई फॉलिकल्स की, उसके बाद आ गया इसका कि नेक्स्ट सडन इंक्रीज इन LH, देन ओवुलेशन स्टार्टेड, and after that last was growth of corpus luteum. Okay, next, very easy. There are 16 chromosomes in primary spermatocyte, which is the metaphase of first meiotic division. What will be the total number of chromatids? Meiotic division है, first meiotic division. So what will be the number of chromatids? जैश ने 32 दिए हैं, और कोई? क्रोमोसोम में 2 होते हैं, क्रोमेटिड डबल हो जाते हैं। स्टेज आपको प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट्स की दी है, विच इज ऑलरेडी द फर्स्ट मियोटिक डिवीजन। हाँ जी, हु विल आंसर? ऐश ने दे दिया आंसर, एनीबॉडी एल्स? हाँ जी, 16 ऑलरेडी। ये क्या था आपका? सेम ही है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट मियोटिक डिवीजन पे ऑलरेडी हैप्लॉइड है। हैप्लॉइड में तो बेटे ऑलरेडी सिंगल एक ही क्रोमेटिड है, तो क्रोमेटिड कितने रह गए? इट्स द सेम। अच्छा, oral contraceptives are prescribed in females to check
Ovulation.
right answer. The embryo at 16 cell stage is known as, ये सिमिलर था आपका,
Moria.
राइट आंसर। ये भी आपका हो गया पिछले वाले में, लास्ट क्वेश्चन जो था। हाँ, ये सेम है। इस पे आती हूँ मैं 20 सेकेंड पे। स्ट्रक्चर कनेक्टिंग द फीटस टू प्लेसेंटा इज
Umbilical.
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 Okay, next, sperm's acrosome has which enzyme? Acrosome की टिप पे कुछ होता है, that's why it can fuse ovum wall.
तो होता ही है।
Fine, enzyme होता है hyaluronidase and proacrosome. Pollination caused by wind is called
Anemophily.
right answer. Spermatogenesis takes place in हाँ जी, spermatogenesis takes place in, ये जितने आपके पास्ट पेपर्स होते हैं ना, जैसे जैसे आपके क्वेश्चंस खत्म हो जाते हैं, पास्ट पेपर्स जो हैं उनके ये MCQs को सॉल्व जरूर करो, बिकॉज इफ यू हैव डन, देयर आर चांसेस फॉर द रेपिटेशन ऑफ दोस क्वेश्चंस एंड देन यू नीड नॉट टू इन्वेस्ट टाइम। कई बार बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन करने से भी आपके टॉपिक्स जो हैं वो प्रिपेयर हो जाते हैं। सो सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स, राइट आंसर। अगला आपको आना चाहिए जरूर। द टेक्निक कॉल्ड गिफ्ट इज रेकमेंडेड फॉर दोज फीमेल्स मीट। तो किसके लिए हम करते हैं, किन फीमेल्स के लिए?
Who cannot produce ovum?
राइट आंसर,
Who cannot produce ovum.
फर्स्ट ऑप्शन राइट। जीनोटिपिक रेशियो ऑफ F2 इंडिविजुअल्स इन मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस इज
1:2:1.
absolutely right. And I really appreciate, Ash, you are answering and you are participating for most of the questions. The process of removal of introns and joining of exons is called
D option.
हाँ जी, which option बेटे? D option, right answer. जपराज सुस्ती पड़ी हुई है, बाकियों को भी डाल रहा है वासियां ले लेके। Participate please. Okay. Right answer, बच्चे. Next, I'm going to, which of the following is the most primitive ancestor of man?
Ramapithecus.
Okay, बच्चे, right answer. आपके 10 क्वेश्चंस मोर हैं. टाइम 12 बज गए हैं. मैं सिर्फ 5 मिनट आपके एक्स्ट्रा लूंगी so that we can finish it. Otherwise फिर से ये मंडे पे चला जाएगा नहीं तो पार्ट. Heterozygous tall with homozygous tall. The percentage of heterozygous tall in the progeny would be.
50-50.
Right, बच्चे. Sperm formed in 4 primary spermatocytes are.
4
अभी हमने प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट्स का क्वेश्चन किया था. म्योटिक डिवीजन की फर्स्ट स्टेज, फर्स्ट म्योटिक.
नहीं रहेगा.
कितना आंसर आ गया आपका? इसमें 16 आएगा बेटे. डबल हो जाएगा ना. इसमें क्रोमेटिड्स नहीं पूछे, इसमें स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन पूछी. 4 4s are 16. One will be able to produce 4. Which of the following is the largest cell of ovule?
Central.
In embryo sac, N2 and 3N conditions are respectively found in. What is the ploidy of egg?
C option.
And C option.
ध्यान से देख लो. Right, बच्चे. Next. Anti-fertilizer is present on. Anti-fertilizer, जिसे fertilization ना हो. Anti. नोट कर लो. Spermatozoa. Next. This was from your dihybrid cross. हाँ जी, क्या आना चाहिए? This one. This is your NCERT question, back exercise. Just it was modified in the form of MCQ. Otherwise, you people have attempted this cross. I think 5th or 7th question of your NCERT back exercise, chapter number 5. Surgical removal or cutting and ligation of the ends of oviduct is known as. हाँ जी, क्या आएगा जी? Right. Tubectomy. Which of the following is one of the recessive characters studied by Mendel? इजी है, सामने ही आंसर है. क्या आ जाएगा?
Wrinkle seed.
राइट बच्चे. Hershey and Chase experiment. Radioactive phosphorus was used to culture bacteriophages, which resulted in radioactive phosphorus के साथ DNA. Right answer. Somebody spoke right answer. अच्छा, clover leaf model of transfer RNA has anticodon arm, which क्या आना चाहिए? Contain the same 3 nucleotides as the codon. Contain the 3 nucleotides complementary to those of codons. Contain no nucleotides. Contain 3, 6 or 9 nucleotides complementary to codon. Which option?
B.
This one बच्चे. Anticodon and codon reaction. ये आ जाएगा आपका second answer. चलिए last question की तरफ है. An abnormal human male phenotype involving an extra chromosome XXY is a case of.
B answer.
So
Down
the answer is B. Right answer.
sign.
Fine बच्चे. ठीक है बच्चे, ये थे आपके MCQs, जिसमें था कि आप लोगों को अगर डाउट हो कि क्यों मेरा गलत था या कैसे था. Subjective already have discussed. So then Monday there is examination. दैट 20 मार्क्स क्विज है आपका, 2:30 बजे वो स्टार्ट होना है। रेगुलर आपकी क्लासेस जो है वो सारी लगती रहेंगी इस हिसाब से। सो फॉर टेस्ट पार्ट देयर इज नो डाउट, कोई डाउट नहीं है? We can,
No, ma'am.
okay, then we can start Monday our last unit. Fine. So I hope within next 1.5 week or 1 week we will be able to finish our syllabus. So after that then we will start our revision test. Revision karke, tutorial karke, doubt session karke, then we will be starting our test by solving our past papers and as well as sample papers. Okay ji? चलिए जी फिर, all the best, have a wonderful weekend and prepare for your quiz. Thank you बच्चे.